Things are heating up faster than anticipated for Samsung's next major foldable launch. They're not settling for just 2 foldables this time. They're entering the contest with 3. Samsung intends to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and, for the first time, a fan edition of the Z Flip 7. As per recent sources, manufacture of prototype units for retailers of the Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE began on April 30th. This implies that films and interactive information from real life will probably start to appear online in a few days. We already have a little preview thanks to shipment details. For example, the Flip 7 FE weighs around 187 grams without the packaging or charger, which is nearly identical to the Flip 6. With Samsung's own Exynos CPU in place of the Snapdragon chip, the fan edition appears to be a slightly modified Flip 6. But the Z Fold 7 is the subject of the most talk. Samsung is working to make it its thinnest folding phone to date. The truth of how thin it is has been discussed a lot. When the phone is folded, its dimensions are 158.43 x 43 by 143.14 by 4.54 millimeters. The thickness increases to around 9 millimeters when folded. Additionally, it's little more than 10 millimeters with a camera hump. So, for those who are dreaming of a 3.9mm folding device, an improvement was also made to the inside display. Compared to the Fold 6, which is 132mm tall, it is now rated at 143mm. That is a significant improvement that should greatly enhance multitasking and video viewing. Let's move on to cameras, since Samsung isn't taking any shortcuts there. The Z Fold 7 is expected to include the same powerful camera, as seen by the Galaxy S25 Edge's 200-megapixel primary sensor. Additionally, the 10-megapixel 3x telephoto and 12-megapixel ultrawide lenses will still be included. Thus, be prepared for sharp images at 5x and even 10x magnification. According to early sources, Samsung intended to maintain the Z Fold 7's $1,899 price tag equivalent to that of the Fold 6. Price increases for all imported phones were discussed, but Trump put a temporary stop to the plans. He has since returned with a new 25% tax on phones manufactured outside of the US. Samsung too is a part of that. The basic Z Fold 7 model might increase by around $475 if this holds true. Yes, surpassing $2,300. And that's without any frills. Many purchasers may still find that price prohibitive, even with pre-order benefits like a free upgrade to 512GB of storage. Samsung may have a difficult time defending that premium in the US given the availability of alternatives like cheaper Z Fold 6 variants or rival foldables. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.